This is the RT screen video. I would like to spruce up the colors used in this program. In order to do that, I'm going to use RT. But first, I have to set the position for RT. I would like to start making the changes around where this black box is. So I'm going to go to the program. I know that black box is in subprogram 2, and I know it's around line 60. So I'm going to advance until I get to line 60. Here I'm close. Well, here it talks about that box. So I'm going to put my yellow highlighted line at tab 3 where the box information starts. Now I'll go back to executing the program, and up here in the red stripe is RT, which stands for real time. It's for making real-time changes in the program. I click on it. The program is running, and I'm going to make changes in it while it is running. The first thing I see is it making the black box. Here I see the color black, and over here I see fill a rectangle. Well, I'd like the box maybe to be a dark red. So I'm going to click on this digit, position, and I'll put a 3 there. Alright, that's nice. There's a dark red box instead. Now I look ahead here and I see the color white. 999. 9 red, 9 green, 9 blue. Well, that's white. Well, since I made the box red, I'll make the rest of it no red. Okay, well that's a good contrast. The dark red against the bright green and blue. Alright, well let me go forward in my program, see if I can find some other colors. Here I see the color 99 that I just made. I'm going to go through over here. No more colors, so I'm going to go forward again. Don't see any colors. Here I see a color 55. I believe that's the color here. This turquoise color. Well, I want to try a gray color there. So I'm going to try 333. Alright, there's a gray color. Maybe my blacks don't show so well now, but I could make that a lighter gray color. Let's try 444. Alright, it looks better being brighter like that. Alright, let me see if I can find any more colors I can change. I'll go forward. I see a black color. I see a font size 15. I think that's this, the ClickBet amount. For one thing, it's a regular font instead of bold. So tell you what, I'm going to go here and add the 400 to it to make it bold. Alright, well that's better. And I think it's okay to let it black. Well, let's continue on. So I'm letting it black there, see? I'm going to continue on, look for some other colors. Here I see another font, bold, 45 points high. Oh, that must be these. Well, I could change them. I can make them just say 35 high. But two problems with that. First of all, I think they look better when they were 45 points high. But the other thing is that they're clickable. And if I change their positioning in there, I would have to change where it's clickable at. So maybe I don't want to change the size of them. Well, let's advance again. Go forward. Here I see the color black and one character of text. I suspect that's this. So one of the things I could do is maybe make that a dark blue instead. So blue is the first digit. Let me try a 4. Oh, you barely can see that it's blue. Well, how about a 5? How about a 6? Well, alright, now it stands out as being blue. That appears alright. Alright, well, let's go through, look for another color. Oh, here I see color 7-11. Well, 7 red and a little green, a little blue. That's probably these numbers here. Well, it definitely is because it's in a 4 next loop, so it's making more than one thing, so I think that's what it is. Well, let's make a little more red. How about an 8? Oh, I don't know, it washes out. So I suppose a 9 is just as bad. Well, let's go backwards, let's go to a 6. Oh my goodness, I think the 7 or a 6. Well, I like the 6 better. Well, let's go forward again. And forward again. Now I'm looking for the color white, which is 999. And I hope I didn't miss it. Ah, I didn't. There it is. I'm going to start the game. I'm going to make a bet, because I knew about these white boxes, and I thought maybe I could make them look fancier. Those boxes are white, and here's $9.99, which is white. What do you say we make these sort of fancy, these boxes? First of all, let's change their color. Say to 811. Alright? And by fancier, I mean we're going to make them a dual color. So the other 3 for color are start here. Well, not so much of a red, say 6, but give it more of the color of blue and green, 22. Well, you can see the shading somewhat, that it changes color from top and bottom, but it isn't that all significant, so we'll make it bolder. We'll change that to a 5 and make those 2 3. Oh, now you see that the color is changing. These are dual color boxes now. Well, the first digit tells you the different ways of having your dual color, so let's try that. A 1. Oh, it's side to side now. 2, top and bottom. 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 is center and out. Alright, 6 is also center and out. Let's go back to 1. Oh, that was the side by side. The 0, top to bottom. Well, alright. We can let it like that. There are just thousands and thousands of different ways to combine 2 colors for dual color. Alright, so these are our changes that we're going to make. Now don't forget that you really should go to the program and save it because you've made these changes to it. Alright, that's the end of the video on RT Screen.